try and spend some time just rolling and keeping things relaxed and quiet, but with nothing going on. I'm sure there's a way that you do your footwork already. You've already done some. We've already done it today, haven't we? We've done forward, we haven't done it backwards. So that's what you introduce next. Bop and Sau going. Okay, so don't forget, quiet. Because if it's not quiet, if we're pushing on every one, how does Sean know the difference when I decide to step forward? You won't be able to distinguish the difference. It's almost going to feel like I'm going to step on every one. I've done. And of course, if he relaxes, he'll be able to just manipulate this anyway. The skill that you're introducing on this part is quiet hands as we move. So as I step forward with my Tan Sau and my Tan Sau leg, Sean just does his normal step backwards and we get to this. But what we're focusing, we're presuming we can already do this. And we can already do this because we've already done it. But can we put them together? The step, obviously, from my point of view, is literally straightforward. So if Sean didn't step back, I'd more than likely either step on his toe or right near it. All right? He then steps back on the angle from Sinatao, and that's it. There's lots of variations on this drill, and we obviously don't have all the time to do everything. But basically, we can then go again and again. Okay? Now remember what the focus is of each drill that's being added. The focus of this drill isn't footwork. The focus of this drill isn't handwork, it's putting them both together and keeping them both very, very structured. For example, the Jixing Junwa, you could do a whole lesson just practicing that. By the time you've looked at all the possible mistakes and variations, and we can't cover everything, but the mistakes and variations are obviously, now I'm supposed to be stepping directly forwards, and Sean is obviously going to take his evasive step, okay? But let's say that I'm getting that a little bit wrong. So the first one's easy, because I know where forward is. It's there. So that's easy. So I step forwards. But then I'm supposed to step forwards again. But if I'm unsure, I just step forwards again. The same forward I just did. Which means that I'm not actually going forwards. I'm going across Sean, and he can do like an inside tap or whatever. That's me stepping forward twice. So forward once, forward twice. This happens. What I should be doing, obviously, is going forward once, squaring up, forward twice, square up like this. Okay? So then you tell your student to, no, you must square up first. So first one's easy. Then I square up. I overshoot it. So my forward's now over there. So there's lots of little variations you can add on to that, and then once the person's got it, I can deliberately make them mistakes to make sure Sean can feel me deliberately making them mistakes. And then to answer what a couple of people were saying about that biting point, that is more later on when you've learnt a bit of body force and you absorb it a lot more. I'm more looking at getting people to a stage where they can really start practicing Chi Sau. Alright?